Hey, welcome back to my channel, people. And today, as you can see from the title, I'm gonna talk to you guys about how you can prevent yourself get burned in those lending platforms, just in case one of these platforms turns out to be a so-called AKA access scam, or just simply the platform fails and didn't work out as it's supposed to. So today I'm gonna talk about my strategy to hedge against that risk and how you can minimize your loss when that case does happen. So let's get right into it. As you can see here, I have almost more than 10 tabs open here from different lending platforms. Quick overview here. And all those platforms are the platforms I've been investing in. That means I put my own money in those platforms. But what I don't do is that I don't put excessive amount of money into any of those one platforms, because I want to tell you guys a story, because um, I've invested in a platform heavily before this, and it's called Nox coin. But that coin turns out to be a huge scam, and they didn't even start their ICO, but they just took all the investors' money and disappeared. So investing in those platforms is risky sometimes, and you never know what platform will turns out to be a good platform like bitconnect, and what platform might turns out to be just a quick scam. So in order to mitigate that risk and never make the mistake I made again, what you must do is to diversify all your investments and never put all your eggs in one basket, just like the old saying goes. So in order to do that, at least on the part that I'm doing, is that um, I don't put excessive amount of money into any one platform, even if I think it will be a huge hit. Uh, because who knows, right? Nobody can predict the future. So let me show you guys what I did in those platforms. So first of all, we have Goldgate. As you can see on this page, it says earn up to 1.5% per day, and current price is 1.75 US dollars per Goldgate coin. So you can go through the platform, and so basically it just tells you some details, and the lending platform, the amount you can invest, and how much you can receive, up to 48% a month. This is pretty high, and if you invest more, there are more percentage being paid. So just like a typical platform, right? And they just finished their ICO, so they're about to launch their lending platform and internal exchanges. Let's see here. ICO duration December 2017. January 2018 ICO finish and audit. Launching internal exchange. And let me show you guys the back end office. So this is the interface when you log into the Goldgate, and I have 400 Goldgate coin. This is like $655 I've invested in the platform. And just like I said, ICO is over, and right now we are waiting for it to hit internal exchange. And from that point, we can choose to sell the coins or lend part of the coins. So yeah, this is about the code gate. I think the interface looks clean and you know, it never runs into any problem. So I expect this platform to continue function, and we're gonna see how it goes in the future. I might sell all the coins, or I might actually lend all the coins. So that depends uh, on how it goes in the future. The next one I'm gonna show you guys is called BitAI, and this one is kind of famous, and I'm sure a lot of you know it as well, because it markets itself as a you know artificial intelligence trading platform. Whether if they really have that artificial intelligence trading bot, nobody can tell. But what I really like about this platform is that they have done something that no other platform are able to do. So you can see here they give you an update, sneak peek of arbitrage AI. They have screenshots here of their trading bot. Let's take a look. So basically the trading bot is called Amy, and Amy is finding all those different trading opportunities in different exchanges and trading arbitrage basically. So if you see here, Bitfinex, Bitcoin is selling at $13,879, and Bitstamp on Bitstamp, Bitcoin is selling at $13,918. So what Amy does is that it basically trades the difference. So it will buy Bitcoin on a cheaper exchange like Bitfinex and sell it on a more expensive exchange like Bitstamp and profit from the difference. So, and this platform, it actually shows you their trading bot and how it does its work. I mean, no other platform are able to do that, and they actually show you some proof of the real trading bot that they have. So I believe it's pretty incredible to see, and you can see here. I mean, they probably really do have a trading bot, and that's how they profit from their platform. So they got some proof here. I mean, this is incredible stuff. So yeah, this platform I'm really looking forward to it, because they put a lot of efforts into developing all this technology, and I do believe it's gonna be a hit. Um, that's why I have 500, just like I showed you, 500 something coins. And this platform also concludes its ICO, and it's about to hit the exchange and lending program. So yeah, this platform I might actually lend all my uh, coins. So yeah, let's move on to the next. This one is exciting. I'm sure a lot of you also knows it. It's called Lupax, and you can see I just put $1,000 and 500 of my own money into this platform. Let's take a look at the website. The ICO has already sold out, and every round ends in like 5 seconds. It's very hard to get in. Uh, you know, they have only 5 rounds, and every round sold out in less than 5 seconds. That's just my experience. I actually sent them a ticket and asked them to let me buy some coins. So they actually opened the window for me to buy some. That's why I have some coins. Otherwise, I wouldn't even be able to buy the coins because there are too many people buying it. And this one, yeah, I believe a lot of YouTubers have done this one, and this one has been really famous, and lot of expectations going on for this platform. Uh, they have very low token supply, and they also advertise themselves as artificial intelligence trading. So yeah, it's basically, you know, a bunch of developers, and they say themselves are traders, used to be traders, and now they have invented this platform. So they can apply their knowledge of trading into a platform like Lupax and profit from, their day trading or whatever they're doing. So let's hit the roadmap. The ICO is already over, and release of internal lending platform and internal exchange. So we are also waiting for them to launch their internal exchange and internal lending platform. Once it hits external exchange, the coin price, according to them, will explode to like $50 something. But anyway, it's very high, and yeah, we really expect that to happen. So we don't even need to wait until it hits external exchange. Once it hits internal exchange, the price will at least 10x. So by that time, you already profit. You can lock in some profit by that time already, and wait and see how it goes. So yeah, this platform I might also be landing because it looks neat, and there's a lot of hype behind it. Usually when there's a lot of hype behind a platform, uh, the platform will usually do well. If you see a sellout like this, that means the platform will usually, be a good hit. So yeah, this one I will definitely land at least part of my coins. Moving on to the next one is Chirosis. Chisos. Okay, so this one is still in the phase of ICO. I got in at phase 2 around 85 cents. Yeah, something like that. And I bought 500 tokens, as you can see here. So this one is easier to get in, and also their token price is more expensive as well. But what's unique about this platform is that you can lend coins and receive payments in coins. So all the other platforms are uh, the payouts are in cash, but this platform actually pays you in coins. Let's take a look at its website. So 4 days, still have time to buy some if you haven't gotten yet. 51% sold. That's just for round 4. They have six rounds until it hits $1.85. So if you bought in during the pre-ICO, you already tripled your money uh, by the time of the last round. So the key of this lending platform is to get in as early as possible. That way you will guarantee to make money. Okay, 210 days, 1.5% plus daily bonus. 1.5% plus daily bonus is pretty decent, much higher than bitconnect at least. Um, have the referral programs roadmap. Okay, so this one is actually interesting. Also a good one, and we'll see what happens. Moving on to the next one, future cash. This one is continuously in ICO, and they have a locked price, which is $1 for their future cash token. You still have some time to get in because it's almost over. But this one is also with higher interest rate cap up to 40% monthly. This one is easier to get in, and their lending interest is a little lower than average. But their platform seems pretty advanced. They have all those different packages. But as you can see, the lower level packages profit up to 16%, 18, 20, 22. So unless you lend a lot on this platform, the interest you receive daily actually is pretty low. Look, yeah. So this one I do not recommend lending because I don't think it's worth to wait that long to take your money back. And if you lend for example $1,000, you receive only 18% a month. So profit. And if you lend more than 100,000, you receive only up to 40% a month. So this lending package is not that good, in my opinion. And but if the token price will definitely go up, and once it hits exchange, I might just sell all my tokens. So yeah, you guys can take a look and decide for yourself. What's the next one? Tenno. Okay, this one is pretty good as well because the ICO sells out very fast. Every round it sells out very fast. It's easier to get in compared to Lupax, but it's harder to get in compared to any other platform. So Lupax is the hardest one to get in, and this one is probably the second hardest to get in. So you guys can go over the features, how the coins function, and their ICO has already over as well. And this is the price for each round of ICO. Not too bad. How about their lending? Up to 50.8% per month. This is pretty good. And the capital release time is decent. It's decent. If you 5,000 half a year, it's decent. And this bonus interest is actually pretty high. So this lending platform actually has a really high payout rate every day. So yeah, I personally invested $500 into the tokens, and they have 32,666 members already. So yeah, this one is probably gonna be a good one as well. Consider all the hypes that's behind it. All right, this one is the new ICO, and I missed the round one because the token sells out way too quickly. Once it hits zero, the page just goes goes blank. I just can't log in because too many people are trying to log in. So this one I missed round one because it sells out too quickly, and I'll try to get in around round two. And I also plan to invest $500 into all the tokens. So yeah, you guys can check out the page. Monthly interest plus bonuses. Yeah, moving on to the next one. Capital expense. This one I have already invested in, and it's still in ICO as well. Capital expense, and they also pioneered mobile mining. So not only you can do lending and staking on this website, you can also mining the coins and profit from the coins on your mobile phone. So this is a unique and new feature. They plan to release on coin exchange, Livecoin, HitBTC, and Cryptopia, which are which I'm pretty sure they're able to do that because those are pretty small exchanges. And the estimate launch price is $7 to $12. So they already expect that after they hit internal exchange, the estimate price will be $7 to $12. So that's already a 10x for your investments before even need to take any risks. So 10x your money is the guarantee. This one is AdWorks. I've actually made a video on this in more detail. You guys can check it out. This one is also a hot one. Round 2 have already sold out. And I got in in round 2. And I've also invested $500 on this one. Look, I think $500 is the magic number for me, and this is how much money I'm willing to lose without even think about it. So if I invest more, I think just a little bit too much risk. If I invest less, I think there's not enough reward. So always strive for risk and reward. If you are richer, you can invest more. If you don't have that money, you can adjust it and invest less according to how much your tolerance is. But for me, it's like $500 on each of these platforms, and it's the safest bet and best bet for me. So, and that's why I'm doing it. They have very low coin supply also, and they're gonna airdrop 500,000. So this is good. It's also a ERC20 token. The price is a little high, and start. Okay, I bought 500 at $1. So we are gonna see airdrop. Looks good. And they have another platform that's their other ads business. So they have actually two streams of income. They're not only doing this lending platform, they also have another platform that's dedicated to a totally different business, which is the ads business. So in that way makes it much safer. Up to 1.1% daily. Yeah, this is decent to be honest. Okay, this is also a good one. Alright, this one, Orland. This one is still in ICO, and from what I'm seeing is that it's not as hot as some other platforms, and it has a much lower, acknowledge from the mass because not many people know this platform. And from what I see, the ICO is not that hot. They're still in their round 2 for like 2 days or 3 days already, and haven't sold out yet. So, but you know what? This one looks alright from the website. They just didn't put any marketing effort into it at all. So few people know it. I might just put in $300 and see what happens. But overall, the platform looks well designed and legit. They have lending, they have staking, they have exchange, internal exchange, and they have support. And one good thing about this platform is that you don't have to deposit the coin. You can just buy and transfer your coin from any other platform. So that makes it looks much legit. So that's why I might just put 300 to 500 to try it out. And I've already seen some YouTubers start promoting it. So we're gonna see what happens. This one is gonna. I my gut tell me that this one is gonna be a huge hit. This one, like, I watch a lot of YouTube videos, and this one has their ads everywhere, and also their um, I don't know, if you watch a lot of cryptocurrency videos on YouTube, they're gonna show you some ads uh, related to cryptocurrency before one video begins. And this one has put a lot of money and effort into marketing itself. You know, when I click on a video, it has popped up a lot. I'm sure you have encountered it as well if you know watch a lot of cryptocurrency videos. And this one is really everywhere. They have spent so much effort marketing itself, and I believe this one is gonna be huge and probably gonna be very hard to get in as well. The ICO starts on January 22nd, which is a week later, but I believe it's gonna be very hard to get in, because it's already very hot, and already lots of people knew it. That's why, before the ICO even begins, monetize coin. I've seen a lot of YouTubers talk about this coin, and yeah, let's see, up to 40% monthly. That's okay. Yeah. So this is just like bitconnect. I believe this one is probably gonna be the next bitconnect. And yeah, this one I'm definitely gonna invest 500, at least 500 to $1,000 in it. So we're gonna see. All right. Overall, I'm sure you guys get the gist of how I invest. Is that you never ever put all your eggs in one basket, and you always diversify your risk and also lock in your profits, when time has come. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and find the information helpful. I'm willing to answer any of your questions. Just comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click like if you find the information helpful. With that being said, stay safe and use the strategy I've given you, and you will never ever get burned in those platforms. Best of luck, and I'll see you in the next video.